Morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you. So now we start with types of. Let's try to finish this chapter today itself. Girls have finished. I think you have got the information. You have got the homework of lesson number 5. I think so. Yesterday I gave you the PDF of.
Lesson number 5 complete, ma'am.
Yes.
Terrible.
No, I know that. I have given you the PDF with her. Yes or no? Yesterday itself. The textual questions and the LQs of lesson number 5. Yes, Vita? No.
Yes, ma'am.
You got it?
Yes, ma'am. You sent it
Yeah.
before
Yesterday night.
also.
I sent it before also.
Yes, ma'am. You sent. I have done
Fine. You have
number
finished it,
five.
isn't it, Beta? You finished it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I've sent it again because some people keep on asking. They wanted me to get this, have this PDF of lesson number 5. So I sent for the ones who were not having it, okay? So if you have finished it, well and good. If some people who have not finished, it's for them.
Okay, ma'am.
Now let's start types of fuels. Please go ahead. Start with
Types
me.
of fuels. Fuels are of three types, three main types. They are solid fuels, example wood, coal, charcoal, etc. Liquid fuels, example kerosene, petrol, diesel, etc. Gaseous fuels, example CNG, LPG, biogas, hydrogen, etc.
Thank you. Now, solid fuels, you can see this is wood, yes, and this is coal. Can you see this better? These are solid fuels, right, better? Now we'll see liquid fuels. This is kerosene.
And your voice is breaking.
Now, this is petrol. Now,
Clear,
is it okay?
clear.
Okay, fine. Now, gaseous fuels, you can see this CNG and this is LPG. Is this clear? Is this clear? Hello?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Now, again, we'll do solid fuels. See over here, wood, then we have cow dung cakes, then we have charcoal. Can you see this? Charcoal. Okay. And this is coal. So these are solid fuels. You want to ask me any question? Do you want to ask me any question on solid fuels?
No.
Then we come to liquid fuels. You can see kerosene. Then we have hydrogen, gas. Then we have diesel. Then we have petrol and ethanol. Ethanol means alcohol. Okay, from the plant you get this fuel. Then we come to gaseous fuels. LPG, CNG, then we have the biogas. You know what is biogas? Hello, do you know what is biogas, beta?
Yes.
Yes, tell me, beta, Sahil, about biogas. What do we do? How do we get biogas? By tell me by decomposing plants and animal waste, isn't it? Along with kitchen waste. Now, animal waste will be cow dung, urine. Plant waste will be straws, branches, leaves. You understand? All the things will be put in the pit. You see this pit? This is the pit. This is the pit. Okay? They made a pit. And they will cover it for a month. What they will get? On top, they will get this is the biogas. This will get biogas, and here it will be slurry that will be used as a manure for the field, for the plant. Understood now? So we're getting two things at a time. One is slurry, which can be used as a compost or manure for the field, for the crops, and the biogas can be used as a fuel for cooking food. Is this clear? Is this clear, better?
Yes.
Yes? This is biogas. Gas obtained from bio. Bio means animal and plants. And always understand it is written anaerobic digestion. That means what you should say? Absence of what have I written? Oxygen. So this decomposition takes place when there is no oxygen. You should be very careful about it. Okay, beta? Is this clear? Hello? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And these are coal gas. Is also used as a fuel. Now the fifth type of gas that we are going to work on it. It's not in the book again, I'm telling you. This is nuclear energy. Where do we get nuclear energy? One is in sun. Where is it? We are getting with the sun. Due to nuclear energy, what is produced? Heat and light. By the reaction, we are getting heat and light. And certain nuclear energy is obtained or it is contained in a bomb, which is called as atomic bomb. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes.
Same nuclear reaction takes place in the bomb. Now here we are using it for destructive purpose. The same thing can be used for constructive purpose, for giving us energy, for giving us light. We can use the nuclear reactors for all these purposes, but actually we are using it for war purposes. Is this clear? Is this clear, Peter? You can
Yes.
see over here, these are the nuclear reaction taking place. These are called as sun flares. Can you see this? These are called as sun flares. Okay, here and these are sunspots. What are these? They are sunspots. Okay, beta, these are sunspots. And flares coming out. If I just magnify it, you can see over here. See, it is like this, isn't it? But here it has become like this. Can you see this, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the waves are coming out, the radiations are coming out. These are called as sun flares. Why it comes out? Due to nuclear reaction. Is this clear? So whatever energy and light that we see from the sun is actually due to the nuclear reaction or nuclear energy. Is this clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now we read what is fuel efficiency.
Fuel efficiency.
Start reading.
Fuel efficiency. Suppose you were asked to boil a given quantity of water using powder, coal, and LPG as fuel. Which fuel would you prefer? Give
Put
me
your
a
mouth near
reason.
the speaker.
What, man?
Put your mouth near the speaker and read slowly. Don't hurry up.
Okay.
Put your mouth near the speaker, please.
Suppose you were asked to boil a given quantity of water using cow dung, coal, and LPG as fuel. Which fuel would you prefer? Give your reason. You may take the help of your parents. Do these three fuels produce the same amount of heat? The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of one kg fuel of a fuel is called its calorific value. The calorific value of a fuel is expressed in a unit called kilojoule per kg. kg.
Now, what are they asking? That we will take cow dung, coal, and LPG, right? We'll use these three fuels, and we will boil water by using cow dung, coal, and LPG. Now, if I want to ask you, which out of these three will you use and why? First, which fuel will you use? Can I have an answer, beta? Which fuel will you use? Boys, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Which fuel will we use?
Cow dung.
You will use cow dung. Very good. What about others? Okay, you will use cow
I
dung.
will
Why?
And
use
there are 18 students.
LPG.
Which one you will use?
LPG
LPG.
They are 18 students.
because it
Why?
does not
We are
produce
habituated.
it does not produce carbon dioxide
Pollution.
while burning.
Yeah. No, it is producing, but less amount. It is producing carbon dioxide. Anything you burn will produce carbon dioxide.
Understood.
But the amount will be less. And it is the best part is it is convenient to use. Is this clear? Just put on a lighter and it is on. But while putting cow dung as a fuel, you have to break it into pieces, then you have to take papers, straw, burn them and ignite the cow dung. Then only it will start working. Is this clear? It takes time to burn. Cow dung takes time to burn. You know that? Whereas LPG, just put the knob on and lighter it. Light it. That's it. Very convenient. So we use LPG. Now, what is calorific value better? When you burn 1 kg of fuel, the heat energy that you get is called calorific value. And how it is expressed better? Kilojoule per kg. Is this clear? Read better. Please read.
Yes, ma'am. Fuel efficiency.
Yes.
The amount of heat energy produced on a complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel is called its calorific value. The value of a fuel is expressed in a unit called kilojoules per kg.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The same thing, but in a different format. What we learned earlier in the uh, earlier slide is the same thing, but in a different manner. Is this clear? So what is calorific value? The heat energy produced by the combustion of 1 kg of fuel is called as its calorific value, and the value to be expressed is in the form of kilojoules per kg. Is this clear? How you will write kilojoule, beta? K,
J.
capital K, J, per, capital K, small g. Is this clear? Kilojoule per kg. This is the unit of the calorie.
And
Yes, beta?
how many kilojoules make per kg?
It depends upon the fuel, beta. That's what I'm trying to show you. Look at the data. Okay? You will have an
Ma'am,
idea. You will have an idea by looking at the data. Fuel on the left hand side and the calorific value on the right hand side. Please read.
cow dung take 6,000 kilojoules is equal to kilogram. Wood 17,000 kilojoules is equal to
Don't have to
22.
say that again and again.
Okay,
Once it's
ma'am.
said, done. You will say 6,000 to 8,000. Good.
Okay.
17,000 to 20,000. This is how you
22,000. Coal 25,000 to 33,000. Petrol 45,000. Kerosene 45,000. Diesel 45,000. Methane 50,000. CNG 50,000, LPG 55,000, biogas 35,000 to 40,000, hydrogen is equal to 150,000 means 1,50,000.
So how what we see as we go down is increasing. Yes or no? Minimum we saw in carbon cake, right? But this is minimum. But as we go down in hydrogen, it is the maximum. Can you see that? And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
50,000. Can you see this? Methane, CNG, and LPG. That's what we are using. Is this clear? Is this clear? Okay. Yes. Now, burning of fuels leads to harmful products. Let's see when we are burning all these fuels, what happens? Start reading, better. Sahil, would you like to read, better? Sahil there?
Yes, ma'am, I will read.
Okay, better. And
Burning of
slowly.
fuels. Okay. Burning of fuels leads to harmful products. Carbon fuels like wood, coal, petroleum release unburned carbon particles. These fine particles are dangerous pollutants, causing respiratory diseases such as asthma.
Now, when you're
Incomplete.
burning, let me finish. When you're burning fuels like wood, coal, petroleum, what comes out? Carbon particles. And those carbon particles are not used up, they're unburned particles only because it's not complete combustion. So these fine particles remains in the atmosphere. And when we breathe, it gets into our system causing asthma. Asthma is a respiratory disease. Next. What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start.
Incomplete combustion of these fuels give carbon monoxide gas. It is a very poisonous gas. It is dangerous to burn coal in a closed room. The carbon monoxide gas produced and kill persons sleeping in that room.
Fine. Now the same process it happens in complete combustion. We saw carbon particles, unburned carbon particles by incomplete combustion. Also, we get liberation of carbon monoxide gas. Now, what is carbon monoxide gas? CO. What is carbon dioxide gas? CO2. Is this clear? But carbon monoxide is dangerous. Remember that. Carbon monoxide is dangerous than carbon dioxide. Now, this monoxide, when produced, it's a poisonous gas. So, what you should not do that if it is a room, if you have a room and you don't have ventilators, never ever burn coal in a stove in a closed room. Why? Because this carbon monoxide gas, when produced by this uh, burning of coal, can kill the person when that person is sleeping. In the sleep itself, it can kill the person. Do you understand? Do you understand
Yes,
what I'm saying? All of you? All of you understood better? So there are two problems with the incomplete
No
combustion of
problem.
fuel is that unburned particles in the atmosphere can lead to asthma, that is a respiratory disease. Secondly, unburnt, not I will not say unburnt, incomplete combustion of coal can also lead to production of a very dangerous gas that is carbon monoxide CO. And if that gas accumulates in the room, then in sleep itself we may die. Is this clear? Is this clear, Peter?
Clear.
Okay, now third, read it. Read. Start reading, I said.
And I was reading but mic was off.
Whose mic? Your mic was off.
Yes.
Check, check that
Combustion of
always.
most yes. Combustion of most fuels release carbon dioxide in the environment. Increased concentration of carbon dioxide in the air is believed to cause global warming.
Let's see. When we are burning these fuels, it is also producing carbon dioxide, right? Now, this carbon dioxide is increasing in concentration in the environment. So, what is happening? Global warming. This we know already. In 7th standard, also I have taught you. Yes.
Yes.
Next.
Number 4. Burning of coal and diesel release burning of coal
What's happening, beta
burning of
Sahil?
coal
Read
and
properly.
diesel releases sulfur dioxide gas. It is extremely suffocating and corrosive gas. Moreover, petrol engines give off gaseous oxides of nitrogen. Oxide of sulfur and nitrogen dissolve in rainwater and form acids. Such rain is called acid rain. It is very harmful for crops, buildings, and soil.
Thank you. When you are burning coal and diesel as a fuel, what is produced? Sulfur dioxide, SO2. Now, this is a suffocating and corrosive gas. What is the meaning of corrosive gas, beta? Now, if there is a polished surface is smooth. Now, this gas will make it rough. And what has happened to Taj Mahal? You know that the surface has become
Yes,
corrosive. Is this clear? So, this is the
yes,
presence of sulfur dioxide gas. Also, the petrol engines. Now, if you are using petrol, coal and diesel, we know sulfur dioxide. Now, petrol is producing nitrogen oxides. Okay, so nitrogen oxide is also produced by the burning of petrol. So, coal and diesel,
yes,
sulfur dioxide, petrol, nitrogen dioxide. Is this clear?
yes.
Now, this oxides, that is nitrogen dioxides and sulfur dioxide, when it dissolves in rainwater, what it forms? Acids. What is formed, beta?
Acid,
Acid. When this acid comes down in the form of rain, it becomes acid rain. What it becomes, beta? Acid
acid
rain.
rain.
And they are very harmful for crops, buildings, and soil. Is this clear? Is this
Yes,
clear? Now we have come to acid rain also. It's the same thing, I think. Let's repeat it. Now, read beta. Who wants to read?
I read Sundar Mehra.
Yes, okay. You
Read
read
loudly.
sunrise.
Sunraj.
For centuries, wood was used as domestic and industrial fuel, but now it has been replaced by coal and other fuels like LPG. In many rural parts of our country, people still use wood as a fuel because of its easy availability and low cost. However, burning of wood gives a lot of smoke which is very harmful for human beings. It causes res- respiratory problems. Also, trees provide use with useful substances which are lost when wood is used as fuel. Moreover, cutting of trees leads to deforestation, which is quite harmful to the environment.
Now, centuries, that means 100 years. Okay, for so many years, what we were using with the wood. What were we using? Wood. Where domestic at home for cooking purpose and for warming purpose and as industrial fuel also we were using wood. Is this clear? Now, what has come now? Coal. What has come now? Coal. And is this clear? Now it is what we are using instead of wood? Coal and LPG. Is it clear? Because you have to say yes or no, then only I can proceed. Boys, can you hear me? Boys, can you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Yes. Then say something. Now, in villages, what is rural parts better? Villages. People are still using wood. Why? Because it is easily available and it is cheap. But one problem is that when you burn this wood, it gives a lot of smoke, right? Which is very harmful. All of you agree? All of you agree? It is causing
Agree.
respiratory problem. What is causing better? Respiratory problem. They are burning wood. Also, we know that trees gives us so many useful substances, and when you're cutting the trees for wood, we are losing those useful substances. And also, when you're cutting the trees, it is leading to deforestation, which is very harmful to the environment. Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
All of you understood what is deforestation?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is global warming? See, read. What is global warming? Read, beta. Check
Okay,
your mic
ma'am.
first. Check your mic. Like
Okay.
how Sahil was reading with his mic off. Should not be.
Ma'am, let me get the syllabus.
Sanraj. Who is reading? Who is reading better? Hello. Boys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, start reading better.
Okay, ma'am. Global warming is the rise in temperature of the atmosphere of the Earth. This results, among other things, in the melting of polar gal- gal-
Glaciers.
no, what is glaciers,
Glaciers.
glaciers, which leads to a rise in the sea level, causing floods in the coastal areas,
Are you practicing at
lowering
home or
cost.
not? Sanraj,
Number,
are you
कर रहा हूँ
practicing
मैं
reading?
practice.
Are you doing that?
Yes,
Do you find the difference better? I
yes,
find the difference. I find the difference. Sanraj.
yes,
Sahil,
yes,
do you find the difference in Sanraj? Sufyan,
Yes, ma'am.
do you find a difference in Sanraj's reading?
Yes.
I do find it. Yes, Sanraj, you have improved. That's the reason why I asked you. Are you still practicing at home? And you said
yes,
yes.
ma'am.
I'm glad. Now you are on the way to be perfect. Is it clear?
Yes,
Even
ma'am. There was
Sahil,
a change.
even Sahil has improved. What do you say, Sahil?
Yes,
Yes, you have, isn't it? A lot. Moreover, the
yes,
way you speak, you are pausing in
Yes,
between, you are stressing on certain words. So even Sophia was used to rush a lot now. Even he has composed. So good in a way. It's good to all of you that you are improving. every day. Good, better. Keep it up. Okay.
Okay.
Let's continue.
Low-lying,
No lying.
low-lying coastal areas may even be permanently submerged underwater. The use of diesel and petrol as fuels in au- automobiles is being replaced by CNG.
One thing is
Some
that
ports,
just a moment, Sanraj. Stop
yes,
repeating.
ma'am.
You said is being two times you are saying. Stop that first. To have a control over yourself. Okay, beta? Now you will keep a check on you that
Yes,
you will not repeat. Is this clear? It's a habit
yes,
of
ma'am.
yours. That repetition is a habit of yours. So stop that first. Okay? So keep a check on
Yes.
yourself. Let's continue, beta.
Replaced by CNG compressed natural gas because CNG produce the harmful products
Keep the
in
speaker
very
near your
small
mouth. Keep the speaker near your mouth.
because CNG produce the harmful products in very small amounts.
Good. Now it
CNG
is
is
clear.
a clear fuel.
Very good. Thank you. Now, what is global warming? From global is what? Globe. The universe, the world, that is globe. Warming, rise in temperature. So, what is global warming? Rise in temperature. Is this
Rise in
clear?
temperature.
Simple. Of what? Of the atmosphere. Where do you get atmosphere? Earth. Is this clear? All of you understood
Yes,
now what is
ma'am.
global warming? Fine. Now, when you get this
Yes,
global
ma'am,
warming,
understood.
same thing, something happens. What is happening? First is melting of polar glaciers. Now, what is the meaning of polar glaciers? What are
Ma'am,
the poles?
glaciers were,
No, no. Tell me what question I am asking you. First, you give me
yes,
that answer. What are polar glaciers? What is the meaning of poles? How many poles do we have?
the glaciers on the mountain,
No, wrong.
which are
Ma'am, two
What
blue.
are the
poles. We
poles?
have two poles, ma'am. We
Yes,
have
tell
two
me.
poles.
Yes, yes. What are
North
they?
Pole and South Pole.
Very good. So now let's talk about North Pole. So I will write NP. What is North Pole? It is Arctic. What it is called as? Arctic.
Arctic. And
What
South
is
Pole
South
is
Pole?
Antarctic.
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 Is this clear to all of you?
Yes.
Sahil,
Yes,
this is what I wanted to ask. Now,
Yes,
Arctic and
yes,
Antarctic,
ma'am.
what are they? They are covered by ice. They're always covered with ice. Is this clear? Are you understanding what I'm saying? Now, the
Yes,
glaciers over there, the mountains over there are melting. And what is happening? The sea level is going up. Is this understandable to all of you?
yes,
And the islands and the coastal area, after some time, will be submerged in the water. Do you understand what is happening? All of you understood? So what will happen?
yes,
What will happen now? Floods will take place. Then will rise in the sea level. What will be there with a rise in the sea level? Because the polar glaciers are melting and it will mix with the sea water. So when it mixes with the sea water, the sea level will come up, right, beta? And when the sea level comes up, the coastal areas will be flooded. Is this clear? What are coastal area? The beaches. You understand? So even
Yes,
what will
ma'am.
happen, the coastal areas which are low lying, that means they are below the sea level, even they can be completely submerged underwater. Means the sea will take over. Sea will completely cover those low lying coastal areas. Now we come to diesel and petrol. When we are using this diesel and petrol as fuels, we used to have lots of pollution, the pollution and the global warming that we saw, because it is producing carbon dioxide. Is this clear? Now this diesel and petrol are replaced by CNG. Now what is CNG? Compressed natural gas. Why? Because CNG is producing carbon dioxide, no doubt about it, but in very small amounts. Is this understandable?
Yes,
How do we
ma'am.
call CNG as? So it is called as a clean fuel. What it is called, beta?
Cleaner fuel.
See, it will
Yes.
produce carbon dioxide, but the percentage, the rate at which carbon dioxide produced will be less. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I hope we have understood. We have come to the close of the chapter. The chapter is over, beta.
Oh,
I
ma'am,
hope you have
over.
understood. Yes, chapter
Yes,
is over.
ma'am.
So how do you find it?
Understandable, enjoyable.
Yes.
Yes.
Enjoyed? Enjoyed, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
So have a good day.
Good day
Okay, ma'am.
until
Bye.
5 minutes are
Thank
left.
you.
Best wishes. Best wishes to all
Ma'am,
of
till
you, beta.
5
Thank you,
minutes
ma'am.
are left.
Monday to
No, we
Saturday.
will